Welcome to Techwong Tutorials. In this tutorial you will know how to make your profile picture a video that loops. Instead of the still image we've been accustomed to since the inception of Facebook, you also have the option to apply a 7-second video as your profile image, which definitely mixes things up a bit with GIF-like animations. Best of all, this can be done straight from your iPhone or Android device. Within the Facebook app for iOS or Android, tap the hamburger menu button, then select your Facebook profile at the top of the screen. Next, tap your existing profile image, then you'll see a few options that include selecting or taking a new profile video. Tap Select Profile Video if you already have a video you'd like to use, or tap Take a New Profile Video to record a new one. If you tap on your profile picture and don't see the Select Profile Video or Take a New Profile Video options, then you'll have to upload a video from the Facebook site on your computer. If you chose Take a New Profile Video, you'll be prompted to record a 7-second video. Otherwise, if you went with Select Profile Video, your Camera Roll or Gallery app will open, where you can pick a video that you already have on your device. If you upload a video longer than 7 seconds, you have the option to trim it down to where you would like it to be. Using the menu bar at the bottom of the screen, you can also crop your video, turn the sound on or off, and lastly, select a thumbnail for the video. When you're done here, tap Use to save the changes. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more video tutorials.